Thank you for joining us. This year we're celebrating our 50th anniversary. Avolites was built on a simple but powerful idea. Creative people deserve tools that are fast, flexible, and built for the realities of live performance. This idea has driven 5 decades of innovation. We've been at the forefront of several technological transitions, from the humble dimmer to colour changers, moving lights, LEDs, and of course, video. It was 15 years ago that Avolites pioneered the integration of live lighting and media. And in that time, we've supported media within major productions across live music, sporting events, broadcasts and performances, including 2 Olympic opening ceremonies, Coldplay, Maluma, the Rio Hotel Las Vegas, and The Script. Today, we're building on this extensive expertise with 3 exciting announcements. First, the full release of Prism, ending our early access period and making intuitive media control available to a wider audience. Second, the introduction of the AvoKey Collection, integrating both lighting and media. And thirdly, several updates to our travel collection, including further integration of both lighting and media. So, first, Prism, which brings intuitive media control to both lighting and video professionals. It doesn't oversimplify the result, but it does simplify the process. To give you an overview of just some of the key features of Prism, let me introduce you to our media product specialist, Aaron.
This is the interface to Prism. It supports up to 16 surfaces, each with up to 16 layers. Here you can see we have 2 surfaces, each of which can be expanded to show the layers contained within. Layers can be combined using a whole range of blend modes, giving greater creative control over the look of your show. Prism is built to work with Titan through synergy, bringing media control into a connected Avolites environment. For Titan users, this means media and lighting can become part of one connected show. Prism helps video translate better when mapped onto lighting fixtures. Pixel map adjustments give users a simple way to smooth motion, correct colour, and shape media feeds before they reach the rig. Prism makes time-coded media easier to organise, giving users a clear trigger list for managing cues and syncing with lighting. For pre-programmed shows where precise timing is critical, timecode helps media play at the right moment, without users having to trigger every clip manually. Prism's Media Manager supports files in a wide range of codecs, covering HDR video, 10-bit colour, and up to 8 audio channels. Any imported media can be played natively, but for the best possible performance, Media Manager can easily convert them into our dedicated AIM codec. We also have plugins for Adobe Premiere and After Effects if you wish to export your media natively. If you want to work with live inputs, such as camera feeds, Prism supports capture cards, NDI, and RTSP inputs. There's many more features we don't have time to talk about today. We're going to highlight more on YouTube and social media over this week. Subscribe to ensure you don't miss them.
So, there's an introduction to Prism, an accessible way to introduce dynamic visuals without needing to navigate complicated programming. As you saw, Prism's interface is visual and intuitive, with tools that make media playback, manipulation, and pixel mapping a natural extension of lighting design. And when paired with Titan, which is the power behind all Avolites lighting consoles, Prism makes media part of a connected show environment. To support you when learning Prism, we have an all-new Prism course available now at avolitesacademy.com. The platform provides learning in bite-sized chunks which you can start, leave whenever you want, and pick up again right from where you left off, all online and all free of charge. So, that's Prism. Next, the AvoKey Collection, integrating both lighting and media. Up to now, AvoKey has unlocked Titan, but today AvoKey becomes more powerful, with the new collection giving you the option of unlocking either Titan or Prism. When running Titan, we've added support for the D3, T3 and Titan mobile wings, allowing you to extend your control and stay hands-on during every show. We've added D3 Touch integration, allowing you to remotely trigger Titan from a reliable touchscreen. And we've added support for the Titan Web API, allowing you to build third-party integrations which connect directly into Titan. When running Prism, AvoKey can unlock multiple displays, and, coming later this year, DMX pixels. Pixels are between 1 to 4 DMX channels, from a simple intensity through to full RGBW. The new AvoKey collection are all USB-C and come in 3 flavours: A1+, A2+, and A3+. To tell you more about each of them, let me hand back over to Aaron.
A1 Plus is our entry-level AvoKey, unlocking 1024 channels within Titan and 1 display output from Prism. By the end of the year, all A1 Plus AvoKeys will also gain support for 1024 DMX pixels, which, if using RGBW pixels, is 8 universes. A2 Plus unlocks twice as many, with 2048 DMX channels within Titan, 2 display outputs from Prism, and later this year, 2048 pixels, which is up to 16 DMX universes. A3 Plus is our premium AvoKey, supporting 4096 DMX channels within Titan, 3 display outputs from Prism, and later this year, up to 32 universes across 4096 pixels from Prism. Those plus symbols indicate how the new AvoKey collection support both Titan and Prism. But we've developed these two as separate applications because running them on separate, dedicated hardware is how to achieve the best performance and stability. Remember, each physical device will need its own AvoKey.
We're delighted that the new AvoKey collection is shipping from our London factory today. Our new packaging has reduced in both size and weight by over 85%, significantly reducing the amount of non-recyclable material used, along with making shipping both cheaper and more environmentally friendly. And that's AvoKey. The third announcement today is about our travel collection. Just like AvoKey, our travel collection is becoming more powerful too, giving you the option of unlocking either Titan or Prism. Let's pass back over to Aaron and jump straight in.
T1 Plus unlocks 1024 DMX channels within Titan. That's twice as many as the T1. On top of that, there's 1 display output from Prism, and by the end of the year, 1024 DMX pixels. That's 8 universes if using RGBW pixels. Compared to T1, we've added some other features too. When running Titan, T1 Plus supports our D3, T3 and Titan mobile wings, allowing you to extend your control and stay hands-on during every show. We've added D3 touch integration, allowing you to remotely trigger Titan from a reliable touchscreen. And we've added support for the Titan Web API, allowing you to build third-party integrations which connect directly into Titan. T1 Plus has 1 physical DMX output and utilises your computer's network and display ports for the other outputs. T2 Plus replaces T2, also doubling the DMX channels within Titan to 2048 and providing 2 display outputs from Prism. By the end of the year, T2 Plus will support 2048 pixels. Compared to the T1 Plus, T2 Plus has 2 physical DMX outputs and the addition of an audio input for linear timecode, which works with both Titan and Prism. When running Titan, T2 Plus also supports USB MIDI devices for external triggering and control. Lastly, we have T3. Let's hand back over to John.
T3 is one of our most popular consoles, loved for the power and hands-on control it provides in such a small footprint. Our encoder warranty program is almost complete, freely replacing the old encoders on every T3 we shipped with brand new Avolites designed bespoke encoders, and the feedback has been fantastic. Well, T3 itself continues to be a Titan device, but it's turning into a new T3 bundle, where an A3 Plus key will be included in the box, giving you 3 display outputs and 4096 DMX pixels from Prism. The travel collection will start shipping next month, and even with all these new features, we're delighted that T2 Plus and T3 bundle hold the same price as the T2 and T3 they replace. The Travel Collection will be shipped in simpler, more environmentally friendly packaging, which is easier to recycle. The T3 continues to be shipped with its travel case.
So, there we have it. Intuitive media control with Prism. It doesn't oversimplify the result, but it does simplify the process. An all-new AvoKey collection integrating both lighting and media into the new A1+, A2+, and A3+ keys. And finally, updates to the travel collection. Increased DMX output and the addition of intuitive media control with Prism. All of these products can be purchased through your local Avolites distributor. If you don't know how to get in touch, visit avolites.com and view the map at the bottom of our homepage.
So much has changed in the industry over 50 years. But as we look ahead to our next chapter, the mission remains clear: to collaborate with creative professionals and to provide you with the tools that you need to push boundaries, tell stories, and create memorable experiences. Hopefully you agree that today's announcements are doing just that, in a way that only Avolites could. Thank you for joining us. Goodbye.
Goodbye.